Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Honorable Manager of University of Pancasakti Bekasi and Honorable my lecturer is Miss Mira. Innal hamdalillah nahmadu wa nasta'inu wa nastaghfiruh wa na'udzu billahi min syururi anfusina min sayyiati a'malina may yahdihillahu fala mudhillalah wa may yudlilhu fala hadiyalah. Firstly, last thing to Allah has give when some blessing from the bad era to the good era, from the bad character to the good character. Okay. Secondly, praying and greeting may be sent to our Prophet, to the good Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, from the good era, from the bad era. Okay, I am here. I want to speak about you about the impact of technology on education. Okay, before it, here I want to explain about the impact of technology on education. What is the impact of technology on education? Nah, the table of content. Okay, in this I want to introduction. Okay, so in this video I want to explain about the introduction. What the introduction about? Introduction about impact of technology on education. Okay. The second is what is technology? Nah, what is technology? And the third it was what is education? Okay, and the next is type of technology used in education. And the next is impact, so the advantage, so this disadvantage, so the conclusion and references. Okay, first I want to explain about the education and introduction of impact of the technology of education. Okay, the introduction, the era of 21 culture is often recorded as an era or technology. Nah, technology today plays very important role in our life. Is seen as a base of growth of an economy. So, an economy which explore in a technology can never grow in today scenario. This is because technology makes our work much easier and less time consuming. The impact of technology can be felt in every possible field. One such field in education. Okay, the second is what is the technology? Nah, what is the technology? Okay, the technology is a term that refers to body of knowledge. Nah, the technology is term that refers to body of knowledge. So the what is the employee to generate tools, create skill and cost materials for human use. Nah, the technology include the use of materials, tools, techniques and marches of power to make life easier or more pleasant and work more productive, like that. Okay, the next, what is the education? Okay, the education is the general sense is a form learning in which the knowledge, skill, and habits of a group or pupil are transferred from one generation to the next through teaching, training, or research. Okay. The next is type of technology used in education. Okay, this is there are four, and the first is smart board, and the second is classrooms PC. The third is projectors, and the fourth is television. Okay, the first I want to explain about smart boards. Smart board. Can you look at here? The smart board is an interactive whiteboard that allows the teacher to project image from a laptop to the front of the room, and the teacher can then digital draw on that image. Okay, that is smartboard. And the second is classroom PC. Classroom, this is much is from us to use the classroom. Okay, the classroom is they give them the option of recording their notes for a long period of time. Okay, the second, most class record student to do a lot of reports and presentation. You want a computer that will get this job done better than the best, like that. Then the rest. So this allows for students to be more tuned with their learning by allowing by allowing them to have their own personal computer, like that. Okay, the next is projectors. What are projectors? The projectors hook up the teacher a laptop and projectors to screen from the laptop to the whiteboard in the front of the room. So by doing this, this is allows students to see a larger version of what is the laptop search, like that. Okay, the next is television. Nah, television can be used to show international DVD or to be able to watch important current events such as 9 until 11 or presidential electronics. Yes. Okay. So next the positive impacts. Okay, I want to explain the positive impacts. Okay, the positive impacts from this is, the first is enhance teaching and learning. Technological development is digital cameras, projectors, mind training software, so computer, PowerPoint, so presentation, 3D visualization tools, then etc. All this have become great search for teacher to help student grasp a concept easily. Okay, it has to be understood that visual explanation of concept makes learning fun and enjoyable for students. They are able to participate more in the classroom, and even teacher get a chance to make their class more interactive and interesting. Okay, the second is globalization. When school in different part of the state, students can meet their counterparts through video conferencing without leaving the classroom. So the some titles such as are used to help students learn foreign languages online by pairing a group of students with a teacher from another country, like that. Yeah, from the globalization. Okay, the third is no geographical limitation. Nah, with the introduction of the online degree program, there is a hardy and rate of being present physically in this classroom. Even several foreign universities have started online degree courses that students can join. Okay, distance learning and online education have become very important part of the education system done like this. Okay, that is from the positive impact. Okay, now I want to explain about the negative impacts. Okay, the negative impacts from this is this first is declining writing skills. Okay, due to the expensive usage of online chatting and the shortage the writing skill of today, a young generation have declined quite tremendously. Okay, these days child are relying more on digital communication that the have totally forgot about improving their writing skill. Okay, they don't know the spelling of different words, how to use grammar properly, or how to do your writing, like that. Okay, the second for impact is increasing ingredients of kitten. Technological development like graphing calculators, high-pitch vectors, mini cameras, and similar equipment have become great sources to choose and exams. It is easier for a student to write formulas and notes on graphing calculators with less chances of being chalked, like that. Okay, the third is lack of focus. Now this is for impact, for impact, lack of focus. SMS or text messaging has become a favorite pastime of many students, like that. A student are seen playing with their cell phone, iPhones, and late night or driving very often while between lectures. The example for we are Zoom. The lack of focus, if we are Zoom, so there is a message enter to our phone, or eh just a material from my docent. Okay, no problem, I can see the other come the TikTok, Instagram, like that. That is the lack of focus. Being over connected to the online world here result in lack of focus and connection in academics. And the some if action even and extracurricular activities, like that. Okay, the advantage, it is make students more excited to learn, help to help student a busy schedule, freedom from work, home on their own time, like that. So the train student to learn no technology skill they can use later in the workplace. So the risk in the paper and photocopying codes prototyping concept of green revolution, like that. Okay, the disadvantage. Now is the disadvantage. Disadvantage is many expressed and expressed. People say that due to such technology in education, study imagination after their taking ability is recorded. Okay, also it's sometimes to consuming from teachers' point of view. So it is costly intelligence technology, so that there can be health issue don't over limits. So some student can after the computer technology. Okay, this is from the disadvantage. Okay, now is the conclusion. In the conclusion, technology has a very positive impact and on education, and that the same time might also pose negative effects. Okay, the teacher can study and should take advantage of this in the good light and eliminate the drawback, which are pulling back money have students as well as schools, like that. From the teaching excellence, it is time for the country to introduce more technological expert education sector in the future. Okay. Just till until here, I just still is thank you for your attention, and the last I say you wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.